friends, listen, either it is a function sari, it is a party wear sari, for the wedding sarees, any sari you take, every pattern you have a sequence work with a contrasted v-neck pattern. You have a designer elegant ready-made blouses. When I talk about the plain sarees, for the uniformic pattern, either silk sari or the plain, and the cotton silk varieties for this summer, the glossy silk fabric. Everyone, when we goes for parties, weddings, functions, the sari we need to be ready. We prepare ourselves that we should look perfect. Either it is a function sari, it is a party wear sari, for the wedding sarees, any sari you take, we always expect, and every woman expects that I should look perfect. My blouse, my petticoat, the sari, how the way, the structure, everything will looks right. Yes, my friend, I am talking about the designer saris, either wedding or party or function. I am talking about the sari, how much it is a designer work. The same expectation of the blouse I am talking about. When you purchase a blouse, please go touch a fabric, see the pattern and feel it, then select the blouse. Yes, when you purchase a blouse without watching or without seeing the work, without seeing the quality fabric, don't buy a blouse. The blouse is the exact perfection which gives for every sari. Either it is a cotton sari or designer sari, or it is a silk sari, or it is a designer any sari or wedding sari. My friends, I am your friend Rani Subramani, and once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great, right? Yes, we are in the hot summer. No matter summer, everyone is busy with the parties, functions, wedding. That's why today I brought for you Kesaria Textile Manufacturers at friendly budget. The 170 starts for the designer ready-made blouses. Friendly budget collections. Keep watching this video, subscribe to the channel for the regular product videos, and this designer blouses, you have to share the link with your circle, with your friends, relatives, everyone, and the resellers, boutique resellers. These products you should have at your business to make your customers happy. Bell icon, just subscribe it quickly. These collections you can purchase every sari, and the blouse which I am talking about, the perfection of the sari. Without blouse, you can't make the expectation of sari how it looks. So before watching it, please take a screenshot and quickly add into your business. Watch the full video. When I talk about these saris, every pattern you have a sequence work with a contrasted v-neck pattern. You have a designer elegant ready-made blouses, and this where you talk about the designer functional wear and the jerkin work and the jerry work. You have a maroon color with the semi pads. You have a lot many collections on this, and even when I talk about the multicolor or the khadi cotton, linen cotton, digital print, you have these kind of collections, and every sari you have a back hook, and these are very comfortable to carry. When I talk about the wedding collections, you have a wedding varieties. The red color, you have a 𝐀𝐝𝐝𝐬𝐬 work with the golden color, the sequence with the back hook, and these are the semi pads which are removable. You can suggest to your customers. When I talk about the plain saris, for the uniformic pattern, either silk sari or the plain malmal cotton or the rapier cotton, you have with the piping work which is highlighted, very classy, very sober, and for the dark contrast colors you can have these varieties. When I talk about the golden color borders, which is highlighted for only the cream color, and the golden jerry borders for the silk, rapier silk, and the cotton silk varieties for this summer, the glossy silk fabric. And if I talk about the 𝐀𝐝𝐝𝐬𝐬 work, which is functional wear, evening parties, and the full sleeves, with the sleeves you can attach it based on your requirement. These are the just samples, my friends. Every sari is having a color charts. Yes, you can see at my background, these are the varieties. You do have a fabrics, you do have a ready-made blouses, you do have a stretchable blouses, petticoats and the falls, etc., etc. Every sari matching collections and the matching segment is very important at your business. When you're doing a sari business, keep falls, keep petticoats, keep blouses, keep fabrics. When you expand your business, the customer also, when they are purchasing a sari, they'll purchase a blouse. When they're purchasing a blouse, they'll purchase a petticoat. This is what the business exploration. No doubt about quality, no doubt about quantity. Please take a screenshot, call the numbers are scrolling on the screen. Language executives are there, no language barrier, no communication barrier, just budget, friendly budget, purchase with the right manufacturers. The Doriwala Square Building Kesaria manufactures, which is located at opposite to Surat railway station, just 3 minutes walkable distance. So visit, purchase, and regularly you can do shopping. For the future, do online shopping. So no matter COD options, minimum 20 to 25,000 pan India. So next video will meet with new more collections, and keep supporting me. Don't forget to share your name and city in the comments, and you have any doubts, please watch the full video and let me know the comments. I'll just clear the video. Just bell icon, click it, share the link with everyone, and this video you should share with everyone. So next video will meet. Until then, take care, bye bye.